In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an exponent, also known as superscript, in Canva. There are three different methods to try, and later you will decide which one is the best for your use case. So let's start with first method. I have this equation that is very famous. This is the one from Einstein. And you probably have been aware that the number 2 is not supposed to be a regular number. It's supposed to be an exponent. So it has to be a bit smaller and placed at the top right here. So we are going to use the magic right feature in Canva to make that happen. So you can select any text or any number in Canva, and you want to click magic right, select custom prompt, and then here you can ask the AI to create a proper exponent. So I will use it from like, please turn this equation by adding a proper exponent. Turn the number 2 to be an exponent. Just give me the simple response, and let's generate. Okay, this is the response that the AI is giving us. Let's click replace, and now we got this nice exponent. So that was the option number 1. How about number 2? The number 2 is a bit more straightforward in my opinion, but also it's probably not perfect, especially if you are creating a lot of exponents. But if you just want to use it from maybe not very often, then yeah, I think this is going to be a good technique. So let's create another exponent. I'm going to insert a regular text. Let's call this one x, and I want to add an exponent, let's say number 2 or number 3 on top of it. So I can just add another text, and I'm going to insert a number, and I can put it right here, and there you go. Again, that's probably not the most ideal, but technically you can use this technique. Now let's move on with the method number 3. For the method number 3, we are going to be utilizing a tool called equation. So let's go to apps and search for equation. This is the equations app that we want to use. Click on it, and on the basics section you will see there are many options. You want to select this one that says exponent, and make sure to change the color to the best color or the proper color for your background. In this case, since the background is black, I'm going to use white. This is very important because later you cannot change the color anymore, so you have to set the color in advance. Let's enter X, and this is number 3. Click insert, and now we got this. So we have this another exponent that is coming from this tool. So yeah, those are 3 different techniques to create an exponent in Canva. In any case, I hope you find this video helpful, and please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this.